Are your Image-Line apps crashing due to the Flspro Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for Flspro Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Flspro Library, the FL Studio Producer Core module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the digital audio workstation's primary engine logic. It facilitates the data link between the mixer, playlist, and audio plugin manifests for high-speed sound production. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of Image-Line to replace Flspro Library, and refresh the program's runtime files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Flspro library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Flspro Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Flspro library environment. Thank you for trusting us with Flspro library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.